Hello, Mr. In this video, we present our project, which is based on microservices architecture. Essentially, the goal of this project is to provide a complete working flow or working system with authentication, backend services, and a reliable infrastructure. As you see, our project is about a medical internship management system in our university, which could scale horizontally with the time. That's why microservices architecture is the more suitable for this problem, essentially. Without further ado, let's dive into the system architecture overview. The application uses a front-end interface connected to multiple backend microservices. As you see here, we have like 5 independent microservices. And by observing this beautiful diagram that clarify everything that we did, the requests from the client go through traffic as an API gateway, and the services communicate using RabbitMQ that works as an event handler. And we got, and on the other hand, we got consul. It's used for service discovery and health monitoring. And as you see here, we have like the services communicate between each other using the same SGBD, PostgreSQL. Let's dive into the most crucial part in our projects: infrastructure and consul management. As you see here in the Docker desktop, we can see all the services and their consumers that listen 24/7 from the external, and the events from the other services are working properly. As you see the green dot, we got the third party, we got traffic, RabbitMQ. And behind the scene, these services are registering consul. Instead of running a single consul instance, we run 3 consul servers, as you see here, 1, 2, 3. All of them form a cluster where one node is automatically elected as the leader, and the others are followers. To check that, we can just go to the consul interface. As you see here, all the services are registered properly, and as you see here, consul is running a 3 instance. One of these instances are actually the leader. And the idea behind that of using like multiple consul to be more specific, like even number like 3, 5, 7, and more. This allows the system to continue working even if a consul node fails. If, like, for the sake of example, if the consul one is the leader and has failed for some random issue, the consul 2 or 3 will be the leader, like this is the leader. And we will check that by go to the terminal and copy and paste that, or write down this: docker execute consul1 consul operator raft list peer. If we click OK, we can see this table. Here we can see the current leader, the consul 1, and the others, consul 2 and 3, are the followers. And actually, I will do a small test, like live consul failover. I will make one of the leader fail, and then we'll see if one of the other consul will be elected as a leader or no. Stay tuned. Actually, I will do the test by stopping the leader. Let me check who the leader now. The leader now is the consul 2. By writing docker stop consul 2, you see here, it stopped. If I do this, change that to, let's say, 1. As we can see here, a new leader is elected automatically and the system remains available. As you see here, the consul 1 is the leader now and the others are the followers. Check this out. It's working properly, which is good. Actually, in this part, we're gonna do a live application demo of our platform. Essentially, I'm going to demonstrate the application by firstly logging to an existing account. For the sake of testing, I'm going to choose a student account, of course. As you see here, the authentication works properly, so the user can access the system and perform actions, such as viewing or managing data or apply for various like stage and stuff. Let's see here. We got like 2 stage. So I can perform an action which is application. I can write like a motivation letter here and do that. As you see, it works properly. So in total there's like 5 application. By doing that, this confirms that the front-end and the back-end services are working correctly. To conclude, actually, this project demonstrates a microservices system that works in practice. By using consul and thanks for it, we ensure high availability and we avoid every possible failure that's gonna happen in the future. And I really appreciate your time, Mr. Tawazi, and thank you really much for your patience. I hope you enjoyed every single second of this video that made my love and care. If you got any question, just like hit me up. I will try to reply to you as much as I can. And I really appreciate that. Thank you very much.